Each week before I go grocery shopping, I clean out my fridge. I take everything out, shelf by shelf, and wipe it down. I see what food is left that needs to be used and plan meals around what I have so I don't waste the food. I have several meals that I call my clean out the fridge meals. These are meals where you can add or use up little bits of things from the fridge. You save money because you use everything you have instead of throwing it out. The first of these meals is an omelet. You can put a lot of things in an omelet, from bits of meat or leftover veggies to salsa and sour cream. You can make a good omelet with those extras that you have in the fridge that need to be used. Next is oatmeal. If your child has only eaten half of their apple, cut off any bad parts and chop up the good parts of the apple and put them in oatmeal. If you have bananas that are getting on the ripe side, peel what is left of the banana and cut it up and put it in your oatmeal. If you have dried fruit or nuts left over from the kids' snacks at school, add the bits to oatmeal. Oatmeal is a really good thing to add bits and pieces to. My family doesn't like kale, so if I have kale or spinach left over, I chop it up and put it into a quiche. Onions and mushrooms are also good to hide in quiche. I have also used leftover sour cream, cottage cheese, meats, or cheeses in quiche. As long as you have several eggs, a little milk, and a good amount of cheese, you can hide all sorts of things in quiche. I will leave a link to a quick and easy quiche crust recipe. I use this recipe because it takes so little time to make. Salad is another meal that you can add some of those leftover foods to. Just chop and you are done. No cooking necessary. If you have extra pasta, you can add that to salad as well. Soups are a great thing to make with leftover meats and veggies you find left in your fridge. Indian curry is also another good dish for hiding and using extra vegetables. We have frozen green beans and carrots that change their texture after freezing, so no one really wants to eat them. I can easily put them in a curry dish and the curry flavor takes over any other tastes. Stir fry is the last of my clean out the fridge meals. It is great for veggies, rice, noodles, and meats that are left over. It is quick and easy to make as well. Figure out some meals that you can make to use your bits and pieces of leftover food in your fridge. Be creative instead of wasting the food, and you will save money as well.